Alright, so we're at Stinson Beach. I'm right before you arrive, so you get this really nice high view. I think I'll paint this at home, but I'm going to paint on the beach. Alright, so check you later. Alright, so we got two different views. This one behind me is really nice. It's similar to what I just painted, so I'm going to kind of skip that, save it for later. I think what I'm going to do is kind of capture a little bit of the housing here, and then you have it goes in this huge cove, which is really cool. Another really sensational thing about it is right behind this crescent beach is actually a lagoon. So there's a lagoon plus the beach, which gives it a really cool feel. You can do a lot of different shots here, a lot of different paintings out of this area. So wish me luck. Thanks. All right, so I'm recording here, so we'll see how it goes. Wish me luck. Alright, so we finished. Here's the finished product. Alright, well, I finished the painting. The battery ran out, so had to re-record the very final end. So if you like the video, give me a big thumbs up. You can subscribe at one of these corners, and share with your friends if you like. And let me know what you thought of painting on the beach. Obviously, a little more challenging than I thought with the wind. Probably need a special mic for that. But otherwise, I think it went pretty well. I might need to darken it. We'll see. I'll get to the studio, maybe see if I really need to touch it. Hopefully not. But otherwise, that's it. And it's on eBay if you want to guys buy it. Thanks, guys.